Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of obtaining a numerical solution by using fourth order RK method, and we are finding the value of y at the rate of x is equal to 0.1. Where given that dy by dx is equal to 3 into e raised to x plus 2y, where y of 0 is equal to 0 and step size is 0.1. Then let us consider the things by data. What the data says? In this data says by data dy by dx will be treated as f of x comma y, which is nothing but 3 into e raised to x plus 2y, where x naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to 0, and h is equal to 0.1. Then what is to be calculated? We need to calculate the value of y at the rate of x, that is 0.1. That has to be calculated. So before calculating this, we need to compute the value of k1, k2, k3 and k4. Fine. Then k1 can be calculated by using the formula h into f of x naught, y naught. Okay, x naught, y naught, where h is 0.1, that into x naught is 0, y naught is 0. Fine. So which is equal to, we can see here, 0.1 into the functional value. What is the function? Function is 3 into e raised to x plus 2y, where x is 0, y is 0. Means it is 3 into e raised to 0 plus 2 into 0. E raised to 0 is 1. This is 0. So 3. 3 into this is 0.3, which is equal to k1. Means the value of k1 is 0.3. Then let us move to next value, that is k2. K2 says h into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma, y naught plus k1 by 2. K1 by 2. Therefore, this is h is 0.1 into the functional value. X naught is 0. 0 plus h, that is 0.1 divided by 2. So that is equal to 0.05. 0.05, comma, y naught is 1, sorry, y naught is also 0, and k1 is 0.3. 0.3 divided by 2. 0.3 divided by 2 is 0.15. Clear? 0.15. Therefore, 0.1 into 3 into e raised to the value of x is 0.05 plus 2 into the value of y is 0.15. So let us calculate this and let us see how much it is. 3 into e raised to 0.05 plus 2 into 0.15. Okay, so that means this is equal to, overall this is equal to 0.3454. This is K2. Okay, 3454. Next comes K3. How do you calculate K3? K3 is nothing but h into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma, y naught plus k2 by 2. K2 by 2. That is 0.1 into the functional value. X naught is 0. 0 plus h by 2. H is 0.1. So it is 0.05, comma, 0.05, comma, y naught is 0 and K2 is 0.3454 0.3454 divided by 2, that is 0.1727. Okay, therefore 0.1 into the functional value. What is the functional value? 3 into e raised to 0.05 plus 2 into 0.1727. Okay, let us calculate. 0.1727 into 2, that plus 3 into this result. Then this will be equal to 0.3499. This is K3. 3499. Okay, then K4 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus K3, that is equal to h is 0.1 into the functional value, x naught is 0 plus h is 0.1 comma y naught is 0 plus K3, that is 0.3499. Therefore which is equal to 0.1 into the functional value 3 into e raised to 0.1 plus 2 times 0.3499, which is equal to, let us calculate, 2 into 0.3499 plus 3 into e raised to 0.1, which is equal to 0.4015. This is K4. Therefore, let us go for the solution. The required solution can be obtained by using the relation y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 divided by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. Okay, so this is y of x naught is 0 plus h is 0.1, which is equal to y naught is 0 plus 1 divided by 6 into 1 by 6 into K1. K1 is 0.3 plus 2 into K2, that is 0.3454 plus 2 into K3, that is 0.3499 plus K4, that is 0.4015. Clear? Calculate this again. 0.3 plus 2 into 0.3454 plus 2 into 0.3499 plus 0.4015. Clear? That divided by 6. So that is equal to, so it is y of 0.1 is equal to 3.